want to learn a ghost bind. That's cool. I've only ever learned one, but it looks like this. If that's what you wanted, here's how to do it. Obviously the yo-yo is going to be spinning at the end of the string and you're going to want to pop it up in the air. I think chest level is good, and just make sure it's nice and controlled so you know where to aim the string. And then what I like to do is pinch the string with my pointer and thumb of my throw hand, and then you draw a circle. Nothing too dramatic. You're not going to be using like your whole arm like you do in a hook or anything, but you're just going to kind of whip it in this small circle motion with your wrist. So as soon as the yo-yo reaches about chest height, you're just going to whip the string around it as close to the yo-yo as you can. So the tricky part of the ghost bind is that it happens really quick. What you want to avoid is just flipping the string around the yo-yo, because that's not going to do anything. You have to get the yo-yo into an undermount. So if you have the luxury of slowing it down, this is what's happening. The yo-yo pops into the air, and as you're creating slack in the air, you're going around with your wrist, okay? And then you just have an undermount like that. So what's going to be really important is how close you are to the yo-yo and the timing. But there's actually a split second where you can feel the yo-yo drop into the string and then pull back up. So if you're having trouble with this, you can either use a wider gap, so if you have trouble getting the string into the gap, then you have more chances of getting it in the gap. Or if your problem is not getting it into the gap, it's pulling the yo-yo back up, you can use a smaller gap yo-yo like an organic or a compact pocket yo-yo, and then you'll have an easier time on that initial tug back up to your hand. Now it does take practice, but it can look pretty fly once you get it down.